Hey guys! A few days ago, I just received these two boxes here from Kid Talk. They sent me for a review. Didn't requested anything at all. They just told me, take a look on our keycaps, give your real impressions and thoughts. And that's why I'm here today. And to start, let me tell you that I was really impressed by the box first, because most of my keyboards don't have a quality box like this. I'm really impressed on the box to start with, but when I opened the boxes, oh my god, what is that? The most beautiful keycaps I ever saw. Very unique, with a very beautiful design and feeling. I was really impressed. On the second box, I got a very different keycap set. Very beautiful purple color, made transparent here on the sides. Really unique, outstanding, amazing, beautiful, gorgeous. I don't know how many words are in English to describe what I'm seeing right now. Really love it. Congrats, guys. To be honest, I spent some time just wondering what keyboard do I have that deserve this kind of keycaps. And I decided to go with these two guys here. This one is the Monsgeek M1W. I was planning to replace its keycaps. Don't like too much this flower theme here, but I love the color of the keyboard. And one of the keycap sets are purple, so perfect fit for this guy. His brother, Monsgeek M3W, the same keyboard, just 80% TKL, will receive the retro keycap set. I think this keyboard deserves these kits. Very beautiful keyboard, aluminum body, one of the best from Akko Monsgeek. So let's see how it looks like, but first we will see all the details, all the keycaps. We have 3 layers of keycaps inside this box. Very detailed keycaps. Let's see everything. Let's check the thickness and all the technical aspects of the keycaps. And then, after that, we will see how it looks like on a real keyboard. Welcome back to Passaya's channel. If you know me already, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave your comment to help. If you don't know me, follow me. Links are on the description for all social networks. Join our Discord group. Now let's go straight to the video. And guys, let's start with the retro keycap set. Oh man, how beautiful is this box. Honestly, I really love this box. I usually don't care about boxes until I found out this one. And I have other keycap sets here, like this XVX and this Womir kit here. But as you guys can see, nothing special about the boxes. I have another kit. That is very good as well. This is the Keychron PBT 4 and 6 kit. This one is the original for Keychron Q1. It's the best Keychron keycap set probably. But as you guys can see, nothing special on the box as well. So, when I received these keycaps on this box, I realized that I was dealing with a premium keycap sets, because it's very well packed. I really love it. Looking here to the keycaps itself, we have 3 different layers. I will remove the first one. These are the main keycaps. Very, very, I have no words, honestly, very beautiful. Then let's go to the second layer. And as you guys can see, very beautiful as well. We have a lot of space bars here. And we also have on the first layer. So probably I will have some free space bars to add to other keyboards. Very good. And we have this last layer here with a few keycaps as well. Very beautiful, as you guys can see here. Box aside, on this third layer here, I like because of these special keycaps here. Decorated premium keycaps like this one. It's a delete key. I really love the additional keys here. On the second layer, this one, we have this enter key here. And I know this quite well because it's the Brazilian enter format. We have all these space bars here. This keycap, look how beautiful it is. It's a retro camera, as you guys can see. Very artisan. This is not made by a machine, honestly. It's way too beautiful, way too special. These keycaps here as well. Everything is so unique, man. And the main one with the main keys, here we are, 1.6 millimeters. So good. Let's try a random one like this G here. Probably the same. 1.4, 1.6. So all good is just what I see on other keycaps as well. They are beautiful, very well finished. Nothing to say, no defects at all. Everything is so perfect here. Oh man, I can't wait to put them on my Monsgeek. It will look so pretty. Now guys, let's move to the next keycap set. And guys, the second kit, I will not repeat everything again about the box because it's the same box. Really good, really beautiful. We have one layer here, the main one. Is stunning, absolute amazing. The second layer here as well. Very beautiful. The third layer, we have less keycaps than the previous kit, but they are still really beautiful. Look, this Pac-Man here, I love it. Here, the same extractor, and the box basically the same. First layer, we have some extra arrows. This Pac-Man, I love it. This second layer here, the same. We have this Brazilian format keycap. I think probably this is the same for a few countries. Probably not just Brazilian that use this one. Some extra keys. Everything is very beautiful. I love these arrows here. I definitely love. Look at them. And then we have this enter, this loading key. Everything is so beautiful, guys. Everything is so beautiful. We have a few extra arrows, shift keys. Everything is so beautiful. And then the main part, which is this one. To be honest, guys, for me, this is pretty beautiful. I have nothing to complain about the color. It's really, really, really amazing. But about this font style, I like it. I like it. But to be honest, it's too much Atari 80s, in my opinion. Too much video game. I don't know how to explain. I would prefer something more conservative, but they are beautiful. I'm not complaining at all. This Pac-Man here, this Pac-Man here, these hearts. Oh, guy, it's really, really different. Look, this is spacebar. Look, this is spacebar. Gorgeous, insane, beautiful, outstanding. I don't know. It's really, really amazing. So, guys, let's take a look to some technical aspects here. The amount of material. Look into the keycap. The downside is the same color of the keycaps. The other side's transparent, as you guys can see here. So upside transparent, transparent, and then the color of the keycap. Which means that this kit will probably be better on a north facing keyboard because the light will be here. So transparent, transparent, and the color of the keycap, as you guys can see here. Now it's time to install on the keyboards, and let's see how the keyboards looks like with them. And guys, here we are with both keyboards with Keytalk keycaps. And look how beautiful they are now. Absolutely stunning. And guys, what are my final thoughts on these KeyTalk keycaps. I think they are very beautiful, absolutely amazing, very different, very unique. They worth every penny because your keyboard will look so different, so exclusive. I really like. This company is specialized on keycaps. So different from keyboards company like Akko, Monsgeek, Keychron, these guys does only keycaps and they focus on keycaps. So in my opinion, you have much more details here, like this Pac-Man here. This probably is the Manhattan City. You have lot of detail, lot of color mixes, lot of different things. So I really love the keycaps. They are not expensive in my opinion, to be honest. These kits here are around $50, which for me is very okay. In my opinion, these keycaps are for more premium keyboards like these two Akko Monsgeek here, or the Keychron Lemokey Pro P1, the Apple Maker Tide 75. You will not put these keycaps on a cheap keyboard, in my opinion. So if you have more premium keyboards and you want a very exclusive visual like this, you want something very different, these are the keycaps you are looking for. Very detailed, as you guys can see aqui, these rounded corners. You will not see this level of detail on a generic brand keycap like Keychron or Akko. These guys know what they are doing. So for me, worth every penny if you want to put these keycaps here on a good keyboard. I'm pretty satisfied with the result here. And to be honest, I never saw anything like that before. Leave your comment if you liked this video, subscribe for more, give me your thumbs up. See you in the next one. Peace.